Peace, family. This is Shofar from Full Show Energy Work, and I'm here to talk to you today about Planet Heart. The purpose of the video today is to give us just something to think on, something to feel into about our connection to Mother Earth. And so, if you think about the word Earth, E-A-R-T-H, if you take the H and you put it in the front, you now have heart. And so one of the things I'm going to suggest, one of the things that I'm starting to do so that I have I'm programming my superconscious, or that part of us that we call our subconscious, to have a stronger connection to the planet to which we live, is this: instead of calling it planet Earth, I'm calling it planet Heart. Now, I may not go out and do this and call it Planet Heart, in circles or whatever, where people might think that you're crazy or something going on like that. It's being done. I'm saying this so that at a super conscious level, we are reprogramming ourselves, because words program us. Words set the parameter to what we are conscious of, the parameters of our bioelectrical field. I'm going to do another video about the biofield. You can also check out the video I did about electromagnetism. But when we have the flow of electricity, it can manipulate matter. And so our thoughts and our feelings, our belief systems affect what we are able to perceive, our perception. And so one of the key things that I feel like right now on this planet that many of us human beings need is a stronger sense of connection with each other and with this planet. And so by taking the H and putting it up to the front and not calling her in your everyday conversation, or when you think about her, or when you pray or whatever, when you speak about this planet, you're calling it your heart. And you have a heart here, and you have a heart to which we're standing on. We have a heart to which, just like in our heart, has a very intimate relationship with the lungs. You know how the blood comes from the veins, and it comes to the heart. We have 4 chambers in the heart, and it comes into the first chamber, goes down into the second chamber. From that second chamber, it goes to the lungs. Oxygen is put on the blood cells. We have 4 little spaces. We're told that we have 4 different little spaces on each blood cell for one oxygen molecule to fit, 4 different oxygen molecules to fit on one cell of blood, red blood cell. It goes from that second chamber to the lungs, gets the oxygen, goes to the third chamber, comes down to the 4th chamber, and now goes back out and goes to wherever the blood is needed in our body. If we are in a moment of excitement, we might go to certain places or whatever. But that blood flow happens because of an intimate connection. You can go back and watch my other video that I did with Kirti about intimate relating. And so I'm saying all that to say that we want to have a more intimate relationship with our mother, with the earth. We want to have a stronger connection. And just like our heart and our lungs have that intimate relationship, we want to bring our awareness to the deep relationship that we have with our mother, and that our breath is our umbilical cord to life. Say that again. Our breath is our umbilical cord that keeps us connected to life, that keeps us connected to her womb, what some call the ionosphere and atmosphere, and that we are breathing right now. We are in her womb. So in order to foster a stronger relationship, there's only a suggestion. Just see if calling her, instead of calling her Earth, calling her Planet Heart, calling her Heart, and see if you don't have a stronger connection to that. And if it just sounds silly to you and that makes no fucking sense, drop it. Just keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? But again, The reason for doing it is because that electromagnetic field is affected by our thoughts and feelings. So in order to foster a stronger connection and to expand that magnetic field, because that field affects your DNA, it affects our cells, it affects our atoms and molecules. In order to expand that field, I'm suggesting to use the word heart when we talk about mother heart. Just a suggestion, just a thought. See if it resonates with you. Again, if it doesn't, just drop it. And if you want to learn more about the electromagnetic field and how our heart, our electromagnetic field of our heart connects with the electromagnetic field of planet Heart, of the planet, you can check out HeartMath Institute. They have some very powerful studies, scientific studies. So it's not just woo-woo. It's not just some dude saying something crazy about, calling the planet the heart. The reason behind that is I went to a conference recently where they were talking from a very scientific point of view about how our heart and the electromagnetic field of our heart is connected to the electromagnetic field of the planet. And so with that, check out HeartMath Institute, look out some of their studies or whatever. And again, thank you for checking me out. If you like this video, if it makes some sense to you or whatever, give me your thoughts in the comments about Planet Heart. If you like the video, please share it, please like it, subscribe. Again, I'm Shofar from Faux Show Energy Work. I do coaching for both couples or singles. I do energy work for couples and singles. Have a book, Sacred Orgasmic Living, Soul, and I also have a series of workshops, one called Hip Hop Kundalini, another called Intimate Relating. I do those with some other dope facilitators. So yeah, if you want to get more information, just follow me on any of that or check out my Instagram. I appreciate you again checking me out. Keep shining, keep climbing, y'all. Peace.